If you're targeting places with a higher disposable income, then you'll have to pay more. Same as if you are targeting an audience that a lot of other people are targeting. Because the competition is more, that means you'll be paying more. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Jordon Barnett. I'm the founder of Video CEOs, and we help our customers grow their business on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how much YouTube ads cost and if they are profitable. Now, before I begin, please do me a big favor and like this video. It will really help me with the algorithm, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All right, so now that I've got that out of the way, let's just dive straight into the video. So like pretty much every other social media platform, YouTube is a bidding system. That means the more bidders there are, the higher value of the item, and the more the bidders are going to be willing to pay. Put simply, this just basically means that some videos and some keywords are going to cost more than others. With the YouTube advertising platform, they make it really easy for you to display your ads to your target audience. You can choose from different audience segments, you can place your ads on different channels or even on different videos. But something I really like about advertising on YouTube is that you can display your ads to people based on their keywords. YouTube and Google are owned by the same company called Alphabet, so you can get really detailed based on people's search habits. For example, I'm in the video marketing space, so if someone is searching for anything related to video marketing, YouTube ads, generating leads with videos, anything to that nature, I could display ads to those people based on those search terms. And it doesn't really matter if those people are watching cat videos on YouTube or Taylor Swift videos, I can still display my ads to those people because they've been searching for those keywords recently. Now, the cost of your ads will really come down to how much you are willing to pay to display your ads to your target audience compared with your direct or indirect competitors who are trying to display their ads to exactly the same audience. The short answer for how much YouTube ads cost based on cost per view is that you'll be paying between 6 to 30 cents per view, and a view in this case is defined as someone that watches at least 30 seconds of your video. If you skip it before 30 seconds, then it's not counted and you don't pay. You only pay for the YouTube views, which is counted as at least 30 seconds or more. Now, let me just clarify that the averages I'm talking about in this video are based on my own experience running a video marketing agency as well as a Facebook ads agency, which is a B2B company, as well as the experience of running ads for our clients who sell high ticket services. Almost all of the ads we run take people to a page where they can opt in to watch a video sales letter or a webinar, and after watching that VSL or webinar, they are then invited to book a call in our calendar or in our client's calendar. But here's the thing, the cost of your ads will depend on a few factors: the location of your audience, the audience itself, the type of ad you're running, and your bidding type. If you're targeting places with a higher disposable income, then you'll have to pay more. Same as if you are targeting an audience that a lot of other people are targeting. Because the competition is more, that means you'll be paying more. But here's the thing, your cost per view doesn't necessarily turn into results. You can target the US, the whole of Europe, Australia, Canada, wherever you actually choose, and you can get views for 1 cent per view. But not all views are created equal, and if you run ads with the intention of getting people to opt in who are qualified and then booking a call in your calendar, then you're going to be paying a lot more than 1 cent per view. You will have to pay more, and generally speaking, you're going to be spending 6 to 30 cents per view because the audience that you're trying to target is often more valuable because you ultimately want them to buy something. So you're going to be paying a lot more than just 1 cent per view. And this can still work for you. You just have to set up a campaign and run it to figure out your numbers. But as long as your ads are placed in front of the right audience, you're going to be paying an affordable cost for those views. You're going to be generating leads, and you're going to get people booking calls in your calendar and ultimately buying from you. You just have to figure out what your numbers are based on the data. Now, to be honest with you, I don't really look at the cost per view. I look at the cost per conversion, because if you're generating leads and you're making sales and it's within your price point, then the only way to go is up. So I hope that's helped. My name is Jordon Barnett. If you want some help running your YouTube ads, or if you are looking to build a YouTube channel for your businesses here, or perhaps you already have one and it's not getting you the results that you want, check out the link in the description below where you can watch a free training. Before I go, don't forget to comment below this video. Let me know how much money you're spending on your ad campaigns and what your cost per conversion is for your industry. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.